The wall functions as a profound site for emotional and spiritual expression, where devotees gather to cry and pray, seeking solace and healing. This practice has persisted for nearly 2,000 years. Connecting the wall's historical significance to the current situation in Palestine reveals the intricate interplay between faith and geopolitics. This relationship highlights the ongoing ramifications of deep-rooted conflicts. Examining the wall's origins uncovers its ties to prominent figures in religious history, particularly prophets endowed with divine wisdom and guidance. This connection enriches our understanding of its religious significance. The narrative also addresses the burden of guilt placed on adversaries, suggesting a theme of divine intervention in the community's ongoing conflicts. This complexity encapsulates the multifaceted nature of their struggles. Significant architectural achievements attributed to Suleiman alayhissalam are highlighted, reflecting the extraordinary capabilities of his era. These constructions are considered manifestations of divine empowerment surpassing human skill. The discussion critiques the community's moral decline, despite receiving guidance from numerous prophets, leading to dire consequences and a sense of divine abandonment. This hypocrisy underscores a critical moral failing. Cyrus of Persia emerges as a compassionate ruler who liberated captives and dismantled the Babylonian Empire. His benevolence stands in sharp contrast to the inadequacies ascribed to other leaders, illustrating the complexities of leadership. The narrative also explores the enigmatic disappearance of vital artifacts, revealing the extreme measures individuals might take to hide them. This phenomenon suggests a broader societal unrest and highlights the fear of protests and upheaval. Furthermore, references to influential religious figures, such as Hazrat Isa, underline the spiritual ramifications of leadership during crises. This suggests a recurring theme of conflict and redemption throughout religious narratives. The analysis examines the emergence of Israel, shaped by British policy, showcasing how historical decisions continue to influence present geopolitical landscapes. This underscores the necessity of grasping historical context. The text delves into the ongoing struggles faced by the Muslim community, emphasizing their aspirations to reclaim historical figures and territories. This desire reflects a profound yearning for recognition and justice tied to their cultural identity. Mentioning the concept of Greater Israel implies a broader territorial ambition, raising significant concerns about potential conflicts and their implications for global peace. This urgency necessitates dialogue on these contentious issues. The historical context of the Muslim experience reveals a prolonged struggle against external influences and a pervasive sense of insecurity. This situation fosters a growing detachment from political dynamics. The narrative emphasizes a deeply entrenched conflict over territorial integrity and cultural significance, particularly regarding sacred sites. This ongoing tension is a crucial aspect of contemporary discourse. The text highlights a larger agenda that emerges as a plan for expansion, posing distinct challenges for Muslim communities. This situation accentuates the urgency of addressing these geopolitical realities. A battery-style map illustrates designated areas for Jewish settlement within Greater Israel, underscoring the critical role of geographical planning in understanding community distribution. Despite the substantial global Muslim population, concerns regarding disconnection from Quranic teachings are rising, contributing to various societal challenges. This situation highlights the necessity for re-engagement with foundational beliefs. Historical references to figures like Najmuddin Sarkar underscore the enduring challenges faced by Muslims against various forces. This context emphasizes the importance of unity and proactive engagement in addressing contemporary issues.